Hey everyone, this is our presentation for our Discord bot sketch. My name is Alex Rodriguez and I'm a senior at DePaul.
My name is Thomas Danofsky, and I'm also a senior at DePaul.
And my name is Alexander McHale, and I am also a senior at DePaul.
Yeah, so our project Sketch is a Discord bot that hosts a collaborative canvas on any given Discord server. And it was inspired by Reddit's r/place, which is this work of virtual collaborative art that was on Reddit that numerous Reddit communities contributed to, and it was just a great artistic venture, I guess. So we sort of took that as an inspiration for our project. The bot aims to cover various artistic aspects in that regard, so a lot of our methods will sort of reflect that. Our technology stack, we use primarily JavaScript, Firebase for the cloud solution, and Node.js, Discord.js, and the GIMP library primarily.
Cool, so going into the code, we all used VS Code to kind of collaborate, and we also used a private GitHub repository as version control. Kind of going into the code, we had Discord.js was kind of the fundamental heart behind our work. We also used Google Firebase to differentiate between different channels. That way, if I have a channel and I'm drawing something and someone else has their own channel and they're trying to draw something, nothing will overlap there. And we also use a Google EC2 instance to host our server 24/7. Just kind of a quick peek into the database. It's pretty simple, literally just a Discord channel ID, and then with that we have an image hash to determine which images belong to who. And yeah, without further ado, we'll go into the Discord and we'll show you some of the commands that we've already set up. So if we look at the first one, basically what we do is Prime drops a sketch, and this is in a server with the sketch bot installed, obviously. Sketch is going to return the current canvas. The current canvas is blank. As you can see, we have an XY axis. There's letters and numbers, and each one of these can be represented by a block. Next, Tom comes in and he does sketch A10 green. Naturally, it just fills up A10, and it also returns a newer image. Next, Alex comes in and he says sketch fill blue. Sketch fill blue just turns the entire canvas blue. Next, I came in with sketch fill random. Sketch fill random randomly chooses the color per tile and fills in the entire block, very similar to sketch fill blue. And lastly, Tom comes in with a sketch image, and therefore it fills in the entire canvas associated to Alex's face. And lastly, we do sketch clear, and that will clear the canvas. So kind of moving into a live demo, we have a server here. The server here just got Sketchbot installed, nothing on it, and I think Tom can take it away with the first command.
Yeah, sure. So the first command we're doing here is sketch help, and it's basically like a mini a Discord documentation thing for any users that are looking for quick tips on how to use the bot and its methods.
Cool, so next, since the bot was just added to the server, we'll have to create a new canvas. This is needed just so we do a new write to our database, and we'll create a new instance for this in particular channel. So I'll do a sketch create. And we see a sketch has been created.
Now, just to add to that sketch, I've decided now that I want to contribute to this canvas, so I'm going to type sketch, and I'm going to select the point where I would like to fill and what color I'd like to fill it. So I'm going to choose A10, and I'm going to fill it with the color green.
Yeah, and I also want to contribute, I guess, my own color somewhere in this plot, so I'll do orange at E23.
So I hope this can kind of demonstrate kind of the collaboration that can take place. Obviously, right now we're just pointing dots on a map, but if enough people come together, you can really make something really cool with this. So now next, I will fill it in a certain color. So I'll do sketch fill red. And also, instead of red, if I wanted to choose a hexadecimal color, that would also work as well. Pretty much anything like that would be cool.
And I kind of want to make this red sketch look a lot cooler, so I'm going to decide to sketch random, or sketch fill random, which is again going to fill the canvas with a bunch of random colors all throughout.
Yeah, and as for me, I'm looking to get rid of what he just did, so I'll do a sketch clear.
Now I'm feeling artistic, but I don't want to put every in particular pixel. So I'm going to choose an image, and I'm going to turn that into the canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and select a Mona Lisa image. And as the caption, I'm going to say sketch image. And as you can see, the bot has returned a image in very low resolution of the Mona Lisa.
Now, just as a little fun tidbit, we decided to get a little creative and add a few fun facts about ourselves in case people were a little curious about who we are as developers. So we also created a little bit of a sketch legend command, which is simply entered by entering !sketch and legend, and it just gives a few fun facts about us. So for example, 2 of our developers are named Alex. One of our developers owns a first edition Charizard Pokemon card, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, that's pretty much everything for our app. We're pretty happy about how this turned out. I think it was a great learning experience. 2 of us hadn't used JavaScript much, and none of us had used Google Cloud. So it was a great learning experience for us. Ultimately, I would like to build upon it a little more, maybe with a little bit more time. Make sure we get like every nook and cranny taken care of, and maybe get some more features as well. Kind of going off that, with different database entries, if we go into this server and we do an ! sketch, we will of course have the Mona Lisa as we just recently assigned. But if we go into our other server and we do a sketch, it'll be blank. So just different instances for different channels, and that can kind of go upwise as many databases as we can hold. So yeah, that's kind of everything. Does anyone else have anything else to add?
No.
Sweet. Sounds good. Awesome. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
As one last side note, if you click on our bot, you can see he's watching Twitch. You click what he's watching. He's watching Bob Ross. Let's go.